How to set up POS and integration part 4.
In this video, we will explain how to invite cashiers and access the cashier screen in the Ufora POS system. This feature allows businesses with multiple stores or team members to add managers, cashiers, and dropshippers to help manage daily store operations more efficiently. Each user role added to the POS system must have a successfully completed Ufora account registration and KYC verification process. Now click on Invite Cashier to add team members and provide access to the POS system for business operations. Here is the section for adding cashiers to your POS system team. Now click on the plus Add User by Email button to invite a new team member. Enter the email address of the person you want to add to the POS system, then select their role, such as manager, cashier, or dropshipper, based on the access permissions you want to provide. After entering the required details, click the Add button to invite the user and assign their selected role in the POS system. Here is an example preview of the completed user invitation details entered in the POS system. You can change user roles at any time based on your business requirements. If a cashier leaves your business or no longer needs access, you can update their role or set their status to No Access for security and access control. You can also manage user permissions by allowing access to features such as adding products, changing product prices, and applying discounts within the POS system. Then, you can choose which stores and products the cashier is allowed to access and manage within the POS system. Click on the Configure Scope button to customize access permissions for that user role. If you manage multiple stores, you can select which store the cashier is allowed to access and operate within the POS system by configuring their permissions. Here, you can choose which products the cashier is allowed to access and manage within the POS system based on their assigned permissions. After selecting the store and product permissions for the cashier, click the Save button to apply and confirm the access settings. Next, we have the View Price Book feature. This feature is useful for businesses with field sales teams or mobile sales operations. You can allow employees to sell products with custom pricing permissions while visiting customers or different shop locations. The system also helps business owners track and review any price changes made by employees during sales operations. Great! The user has now been added successfully to the POS system team. Now return to the dashboard to continue the next setup steps and business operations. Let's now continue with the next setup step, opening the cashier screen to manage sales, billing, and daily checkout operations in the POS system. This is the cashier screen interface used for daily sales and checkout operations. Cashiers can add products, change prices, and manage transactions based on the permissions provided. You can also enable training mode for cashier practice sessions. When training mode is active, test sales will not be counted in actual business reports or inventory records. Great! The Ufora POS setup process has now been completed successfully. Your business is now ready to manage products, inventory, cashiers, sales, and daily operations more efficiently through the Ufora POS system. Thank you for following this setup guide, and stay connected for more Ufora Marketplace tutorials and business tools.